Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have this is part 3, and I've added a little bit of yellow to the edges of the places where I thought my trees might be. And I'm going to hit it really carefully because I've been warming my paint a little more than I wanted to. I see I got some spots in my sky I need to fix. Tomorrow's always a possibility. I want to put some stems in, but whether it makes sense or not to me, I feel like I need to put a more solid color in my background right here behind my trees, even if it's me pretending there's a reflection off of something. I can always fill in over things that are miscellaneous or standing out as wrong, but I can't. It would be harder later, so I'm going to do it now. And what else am I going to do? I don't know. I don't know. Because it's mostly background color, and I need it to be filled to be behind my trees. I know I'm a little incoherent, a little less than articulate, shall we say. And I like all of this over here, and I kind of want, maybe I should wait until after, but I want to be able to waggle the sunset color into my trees. Whether it makes any sense to anyone or not is not important. So I will do that afterwards. But in the meantime, I want to figure out what tree trunk color is, and I have no idea. I have also got no paint coming out of that bottle. Cross your fingers for us that the camera issues that I've been having with digital glitching do not bother us. I think, oops, that was the same color, or very, very similar. I think I'm going to do what I've been doing, which is to waggle things around with my skewer. And then I'm going to try, what is that? Something that does not belong. I'm not going to worry about that. Stop worrying about that. So, where's my sketch? I need to see my sketch. My sketch says my tree trunks go, that's not it. It says that it's hard to find. I should have marked that page. I thought it was right there, but it's not. Okay, we'll make it up as we go along. I'm going to just take my tree trunk colors . I guess there's 3 of them. Move them down into the rocks right now. And then see where I can get things to run to. I see that thing that does not belong up there. Right, where are you, thing? Large lump. I think I might be better off with a spatula. And stealing some paint. Just dab that right back over again. I'm not sure that was enough, but I think I wanted to have less as opposed to more. Just lead that right up into the tree. I suppose I could take some purple and ribbon pour some branches. But I'm not hating that either. Definitely didn't have quite enough paint. But look at that, there's some more up here. And I can use it. Cool. Hey, that's not that bad. I was a little worried there for a minute. I'd like to spread it sideways, but there's so much paint in the large tree that I'm a lot nervous about doing that. I do kind of want to spread that. I'm going to give myself permission for a little something down here. Maybe. By using all of the colors that I've been using. See what we've got to spare. Can always add a little more, right? I don't know where that green came from. Could be all the green around it. So that's kind of cool. I think I'm inclined to steal some paint from the trees up above, but I'm not sure I'll get away with it. Is there a lot of paint up there? And some from down here too. Just use the basting brush to add some interest. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link below the video. I'd like that to be a lot smaller. I don't even see my small basting brush right here right now. I don't mind those at all. That's kind of fun actually. I don't know if I want to keep mixing it too far, but they are pretty stylized anyway. Just waggle back and forth, mixing the colors up a little bit. See if I can get that out of there. I want that paint. My paint shorts have now, my new paint squirt has now been broken in, but good. I'll take a little bit of that. I want some purple in there too. Fortunately, I got plenty of purple all the way around me. I'd like that to look a little more natural, but it is what it is. So that's not, wow, where did that come from? It's not coming off. Okay, so major repair time. We'll just put some white over that. Will we? Maybe. I'm not sure when that happened, but I bet you guys are. Maybe we'll have some white clouds in the sky. I know it looks like there's plenty of room for improvement tomorrow. As far as finishing goes, yeah, I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. Kind of like it. Alright, so I could keep working on this for a while, but I don't think there's going to be much of anything of interest to you. I'm going to put some of the pink that's in the sky along the top edge, run my finger along it so it's covered, so I don't have to do that tomorrow. If I want to do something else, I may have to sleep on it. I got paint buildup on my fingers again. Oh well. There's all kinds of little spaces that need to be touched up and fixed. But it's still a worthwhile endeavor to do so. I guess I must have had paint on my hands when I touched things. Put a few spirals in the edges of my tree. A few more dots of come out. A few more dots of that Prussian blue might be good too. That's what I'm thinking. I don't want to go too much further. I might not be very happy with what I get. And I like what I have. But I think some Prussian blue is not a bad thing. I think that works pretty well. I think that right there needs some help. Fortunately, I have no qualms about stealing paint at all. I'll steal some more over here too. Hopefully I'm not going too far with that. Looks pretty big. Still a little more paint. Okay, so you guys can see what I can see so far. Whatever needs to be fixed is going to be touched up tomorrow. I think we're pretty close to being as done as I need to be. I'm very tempted to go ahead and find an acetate card that's nice, got a nice clean edge on it, and see what I can do with this right here. Really? Just once? I got a minute left. So I should tell you guys, please shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, where you'll find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and my gold mica powder and all kinds of other cool stuff, including my OXO omelet turning spatula. And I don't want to really mess this up too badly right now, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway, because we're here and I want a little more paint on there. So I love you guys. Thank you for always making great comments. I really appreciate you guys make my day. I do sell my artwork, so it's purchasable. If you contact me, I'll give you an email address and we'll have a chat. Looks like I could use a little white pearl for some little mini waves around the edge of that beach. I don't think that would hurt anything at all. And it's not being, whoa, not being very cooperative. Kind of looks like water anyway. I'm good. Not that I have much choice. Going from the other side. What am I not telling you guys? All kinds of stuff. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps my placement of my videos so more people can see them on YouTube. Really appreciate that. And I have Teespring merchandise and Pixels.com and Fine Art America and Curios, and I'm trying to make a living. I have a Facebook page called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, and another one called Fans and Collectors, and there's a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and they will love to have you should you want to stop by and check them out. And I had a really good time doing this, and I'm not sure what it's going to look like when it's done, because I don't really want to make you guys watch me touch up all the little bits and pieces. And I'm not hating what I've got. And so I'm just going to say, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Thank you for everything. If you want to join the contest, contribute through PayPal or Patreon, and you will... Oh, I still got tree trunks to add. Okay, well, you're going to be gone, and I'm going to be adding tree trunks. And maybe, just maybe, I'm going to be adding them with a skewer. A little more paint, please. Those are some pretty wide trees. That's okay. Now I got trees. Probably put a little more purple in there, and you guys are going to be gone in a second, so I'll tell you I love you. Don't forget the thumbs up, and look for my playlist in the last 20 seconds. There's over 550 videos there.